Hi guys. I hope you are fine. This is the first video in a series of photo manipulation tutorials. Our team has decided to explain photo manipulation to you in several videos from beginner to professional. There are no restrictions on content production. Your mind must be completely open. Everything is not supposed to be its own size. Imagine you took this photo from a customer, and you are going to do photo manipulation. You can be creative to find ideas or get help from some sites. Sites like Pinterest or Behince can play a big role in expanding your creative world. You can see thousands of beautiful images by searching for the word photo manipulation This is the same Pinterest site I mentioned. If you hit it on the head, you will definitely blossom. Here are a lot of creative and idea-making people. Definitely after watching this video, you will be one of them. There are thousands of ideas and photos that you can look at to make your mind more creative. This is the same Behince site I mentioned. If you hit it on the head, you will definitely blossom. More easily decide what you want to do. Once you find your favorite style, we need to look at the details, like elements, colors, objects, or whatever it used. Now we have to find similar images. But where from? That's right, through Google or Unsplash or Free Stock Image or thousands of other free sites. The colors of what you download do not have to look like an idea. It's up to you to build them or change their angles, or tear the world apart. Now let's find and download some of the objects and photos we need. And now it's time to move on. Let's go to Photoshop software. Now bring the photo sent by the customer to Photoshop, and we have to separate the side from the background. There are many ways to do this. You can do this in any way you can easily. But the most accurate way to do this is select Subject. Click Subject and wait for Photoshop. This tool selects 90% accuracy. Fill in the blanks yourself with the cutting tool to select the perfect subject. Now make a copy of the photo and select the mask option to mask the places you selected. Double-click on the mask option and enter its environment so that we can have a more accurate choice on details and hair. It was great. We separated Sue well from the background. Now let's import the rest of the photos we downloaded into Photoshop. These elements and backgrounds must be carefully placed in place. We make a copy of this layer and transfer the background color to this layer using mock color. We will put only the shadows in their place, and you can see the shadows and other lights in the next part. As I explained at the beginning of the film, not everything is supposed to be in its actual size. You are going to create a landscape or whatever you have in mind. Do not forget to pay attention to details such as birds or paintings or other elements. So far so good. Backgrounds and elements are well placed. In the second series of this tutorial, we are going to focus more on shadows and fancy lights. Thank you for being with us so far in the video. To see the continuation of this tutorial, like this video and do not forget to subscribe.